Hey everyone, David here. So I got me this 22-inch Blackstone griddle for Christmas. So I want to do a quick unboxing, see how hard it's going to be to put it together. It's raining today, which stinks. I would like to get it seasoned tonight. It's New Year's Eve. Maybe get something grilled on it. So let's open it up and see how hard it's going to be. Alright. A bit of cardboard. I believe this is the cover. This is the griddle. Not much left. She does have a little bit of weight though. Some bits and pieces. It looks like this is all just trash. I have it upside down. Ew. Well, that must be the lid then. This is the actual grill. Very much is in parts. Hopefully it'll go together pretty easy. Get it seasoned pretty quick and get the grilling. Let's see what we got here. I'll get that in a second. It's the regulator for the gas. This is the handle. The box set kind of weird. See if we can get it out. And that is the grease catch tray. Snaps right here on the back. These are the little feet. We'll get those put on. And I'll go and check these instructions. Before I put it together though, I want to wash this griddle. Everyone says you need to wash it with soap and water. It's going to be easy to do that in the kitchen sink. So let me get that done and then we'll come back and put it together. I went and checked out my instructions to see what tools I might need. I did wash this with soap and water. They say that should be the only time you have to do that, with soap and water. So let's get to putting it together. Step one, add the feet. They have the little nuts right on there. Just pop those things off. Put your feet in, tighten it up. Let's go this way. There's one. Second one. Alright, that's it. Make sure those are lined up. Put this on top. So these just fit in the hole in the front. Slide it back to lock it in place. Little catch tray sits on the back. Perfect. We can screw our propane regulator on. And the only thing left really is this, which doesn't look that difficult either. This is where the screwdriver comes in handy. Just trying to get these started. Use a screw gun. Well, that was pretty easy. Didn't really have much to put together. Basically, it came put together. Put 4 legs on, put a handle on. But now we're going to take a minute, and I'm going to get it seasoned up later. Thanks for watching.